the song. What the f was that?
Around the place where I stay in Bangalore, so nothing much. So let's see how it goes here. Somebody is taking right, so bike is completely a different bike. That's what I am feeling. So before 500 it was hard, the clutch was very hard, the gears were very hard. Now it has become smoothened out, what I meant to say. Sorry if you are hearing a lot of wind noise. That's because I have not set up anything which deflects or which minimizes wind. I'm just testing it out how things will be with bare minimum setup, right? So it's the bare minimum setup for anybody. You'll get to see more of me vlogging. So this is the pilot one. So I'm planning to log everything I do, except where I'm really not in the mood to log. So that's what I have planned. Bangalore, man, internal traffic on Saturdays also more. So, the hell. Let me take this road, see how it works out. I can feel a little bit of engine heat because I'm not wearing pants, I'm wearing shorts. Sorry if that came out in the wrong way. Yeah, let's take right. Yeah, people are munching pani puri, man. I didn't carry purse. I'm not carrying my purse. Otherwise I would have been there to munch pani puri. Just roaming around the streets in Bangalore. Glaring at me with suspicious eyes. See, in Bangalore it's such a new thing, motovlogging, so everybody will care and everybody will ask, starting from small child to adult. Yeah, wearing shorts is a bad idea to ride a 411cc engine. And people are staring at me. That's okay, because I look different, I know. With all this additional camera, the sunglass is not helping, but it's helping my eyes, because it, you know, it won't allow dust to come in, right? So that's good thing. Go. Where? What the hell? Everybody stares at me. Okay, the gears are far better than before the service, but I'm not liking the engine noise though. I think it has become louder. Not sure though whether this is going to be the permanent engine noise. Let's see about that. Let me ride. Well, yeah, it rides well. Traffic, man, traffic. So another round of spin I'm going for, because I don't know how the footage will be. So let's anyhow. Captures, we'll see how it is. Quid has become popular, man. I see a lot of quids running around. Looks like a good car though, but I heard driving feedback, right? It has that body rolling stuff. Not sure though. You can see a new car going in front of me, but I like Baleno. The Baleno looks luxurious. Yeah, different people, different opinions. Who cares, right? So anyhow, yeah. For me, Quid is a better car than Maruti's low-end cars. But anyhow, Maruti has its own advantage, right? We take right turn. This is one of the accident zone in the place where I live, because I heard many people met with accidents. In India, guys, it's chaos, because we love chaos, right? We Indians love chaos, because we almost used to this kind of stuff. When any foreigner comes, for him it is a chaos, but for us it's normal life. Okay, this is killing me now. Okay, let me take left. Bike is completely behaving differently, because to go right, but I will block the traffic. So I don't want to go there. But you can see many people are crossing. Let me go. Sorry if anyone hates me breaking the rules. That's how it is, man. Otherwise I will be stuck here forever. Okay. Anybody wants to know how the internal traffic will be in Bangalore? Take a look. Enjoy. Wow, this guy almost blocked me. Let me see whether I can go. Yeah. Thanks for the guy who removed his bike blocking my way. But anyhow, all these vehicles are blocking my way. Holy cow. I just wanna go to my place and park my bike. I don't want to ride the bike. King traffic. Royal Enfield Classic. Everybody's going. Let me go. Braking for the second time. Sorry about it. Chaos. The person who developed chaos theory must have seen our traffic, right? That's a funny note. Okay, that's the end of it.
Let it go, make my body go. Make our bodies higher and higher.
One second. It's recording. Slow.